In a world full of chaos and confusion, Yaqeen doesn't just offer you comfort, it offers you clarity. As we're seeing the oppression in the world all around us, Yaqeen gives you the tools that are necessary to challenge that oppression and to challenge the worldviews that allow for that oppression to take place. But it also gives you the conviction for you to figure out your place in this world and your ultimate purpose. Yaqeen helps you retain your beliefs and then articulate them to people all around you that desperately need it. Whether it's through our media content or through our research or through our curriculum, we put things together for you in a structured way so that you can take that next step in your journey to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As we enter into the best 10 days of the year in which good deeds are more beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than any other time of the year, let Yaqeen be one of your good deeds. Donate to Yaqeen so that we can continue to give you a voice for your heart and to give your heart a voice to the world.